Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Shout out kay Lori D. Magalpok. Yan, salamat po sa suporta mo sa Team Kalingap. Mabuhay po kayo. Yan po, paki-subscribe po mga Kalingap, mga kaibigan. Lori D. Magalpok.
Ayan, suporta po natin si Ma'am Lori D. Magalpok. Napaka-solid supporter and isang Kalingap. Subscribe po na kanyang YouTube channel. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless po. Jesus loves you.
Hello everyone again and then welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lori D. Magalpok Vlogs, and for today's video we are going to see this place. This is called Sampaloc Lake, right, Angel? Okay, and then we'll go there. We will see what we're gonna see, and we have here our buddy for today. This is Angel and Lola Annalyn. O, diba? So nandito po kami sa sa Sampaloc. Ay, Sampaloc Lake, and nandito kami sa San Pablo. Diba? This is San Pablo, right, Angel?
Yes.
Okay, oh yes. So, we will see what's... the good thing here is, every night, there's a curfew hour, so 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. So, ang sabi nila, mas maganda dito sa gabi kasi there are lightings and balls in the middle of the sea. This is sea or ocean? Sea, right? This is sea. So, ayan. With Angel here, we will see what we're gonna see. Up to there. Huh? Pwede siguro tayo lang sa park. May inakyat? Bakit parang wala naman tayo makita? Sa park, oo. Sa park. Yeah, let's go. We'll go to the park. Let's go! Hi! You see how beautiful Angel is? Huh? Yes. When I see Angel, when this got bigger and bigger, she'll be a model. Huh? You want to be a model or a flight stewardess, right? You want? What you want? What you want when you grow up? Teacher? Oh, she wants to be a teacher, guys. Oh, but you want to? You will be like a flight stewardess. You will go around the world. Huh? You will go around the world. Okay, so ayan, tayo po ay aakit sa taas.
daw siya ligap.
Nasa America. Oh, it's good.
Gusto siya matuturo.
Nice. So ayan, guys. Tingnan natin yung ating makikita in front. Let's go. Oo. Dito. Kaya dito tayo binabae. Pwede naman tayo dito sa taas. So ayan, nandito na po tayo sa pupunta tayo sa park. Ayan, kasama. Oo. Maganda talaga siguro dito sa gabi. Oo. Kaya nga. Kasi meron dun sa gitna, oh. Pwede ba tayong pumunta dun sa gitna na yun? Yun, oh. May bangka doon? Wala pa, maaga pa. O, dito tayo sa park muna. Dito tayo mag-upo-upo. Kaya pupunta tayo sa park kasi wala pang bangka. Mamaya pupunta tayo doon sa gitna ng dagat. Sasakay tayo doon, tapos doon tayo sa gitna ng dagat doon. Mamaya. O, diba? Ang dami mga puno. Ha, Angel?
And my tita trying to fishing, but the fishing will go to the tree.
To the tree. So what happened? You don't use it anymore. So ayan, dito tayo sa park. Dito po tayo sa park ng Sampaloc Lake. Ayan, dito tayo. Kaya tayo dyan. Oh. Careful, ha? At least dito may CR. Yan. Tayo ay gagala-gala dito. So our content for today is we are here at the park of Sampaloc. Yan o, ganda. You want to explain what you are going to see here on my vlog? Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Hold it. Okay. Say whatever you want to say. Anything. Whatever you see. Got the door. Yun. Yan. Oh. Go. Tell something. Hi everyone, it's me. And Angel with me here is my cameraman for today. And our host. Let's go, Angel. See? Look at that. What do you call this one?
It's a tree.
Okay, what kind of tree is that?
I don't
See?
know.
Oh, it's rubber tree.
So there's a lot of grass here, guys, and it's color green. And look there.
Go, say anything. As if you're talking to somebody. Whatever you see, you can say. What? Nahihiya si Angel. See, tingnan niyo po. Alam mo, very old yung mga ano nila dito, pero nakikita niyo ang sarap. Ang dami mga benches dito. Ayan, there's a lot of benches, so everybody will come here, especially at night. Ayan, oh. Oo, no? Kasi si Ate Annalyn. Hello! Hi! To my vlog. Angel! Hi! O, diba? So, ito mga buddy-buddy ko, masarap kasama, diba? Pag yung mga kasama mo ay inain, ganyan, o tapos ang lalaki ng mga puno, o. Kaya mga puno dito, no? Ha? Which one? Which one? Tell me. Tell me.
Yan.
What do you call this? It's like abig na yan. Alin? Ah, ito. Ito? Talaga?
Red, green, at saka black.
Ay, para pwede pala sa akin yan.
There's a fountain.
Oh, what is that?
A fountain.
Fountain? Wow. Is there some water in the fountain?
I think no.
No? Why? They are not feeling it. We are coming here now. Why? They are not put water. Oo. Maganda to sa gabi. Tingnan nyo yung mga ano. Mga design. Ay, wala. There's no water, Angel.
I think because of the storm.
Storm? Maybe, yes. I want to know what this lady is doing here. Just selling what? Just selling something, right? Selling food. Ay, maganda dito at night maybe, but there is water because there is a fountain here, right?
Yes.
So sad. We didn't see it. Oh, may fountain. So, ayan. Malaki pa po yung park. At meron din sila mga exercise area. May exercise po. And a playground, yes. Yeah. There's a playground also here and do it for the exercise. What else, Angel? What do you call that? Gym, yeah, it's a gym. So, you want to be here? You want to sit here? You want to play? Or we will play? I think it's wet. Oh, it's wet. We cannot use it. It's nice. Oh. Wait lang. Tingnan niyo yung mga puno-puno. What is this? What do you call this? Lights? Oh yeah, there's lights. So we better go here at night, right? And we have a, I think this one is pine tree, right, Angel? This one, oh, this one. Yeah, right?
Minecraft.
What?
I see this in Minecraft.
Oh my God! Yeah, we will go here with Angel, of course. Angel and me are going around while Mami Lola is sitting there. And this one, the problem is we don't know. We don't know this. There is what? Oh, yes. Maybe once somebody wants to train a dance, right? Exercising. Ah, right, Angel. You're doing great. And dancing TikTok. Angel loves to do a TikTok, you know. And to see this plant, tree, Angel, there are so many grasses on it. No? And it's very big. Wow. It's a huge tree. Wow, very huge. And there are a lot of plants also.
In our backyard, we have a mango tree.
Wow. Do you have a mango tree? What kind of mango is that?
The one green.
Green one. Maybe it's Indian mango. Not sour.
Sour.
Oh wow, sour. Maybe it's kalabaw. Angel is usually she speaks English. So we need to speak English on our blog right now. And we have the co-host here, Angel, and she loves TikTok all the time. So tell me something about this place, Angel. And?
But the problem is the fountain don't have water.
Yeah. Kaya nga sabi ko nga ang daming halaman dito. There's a lot of plants and I'm always asking Angel, what is this one? Tsaka yung ito yung doon ako nagtataka, tingnan mo yung mga puno na may mga raming halaman, no? Ba't kaya sila nagkakaroon ng halaman na ganyan? Nakakatuwa naman. Ang taas pa naman. Di ba? Oo nga Ayan Tapos yung kanila mga halaman dito, well green. Ganda. Mas maganda dito sa gabi, no, Ate Annalyn?
Sabi nga nila.
Oo, maganda sa gabi.
Bangka.
May bangka. Ay, talaga?
When there's a water, when it's night, there's a light.
There's a light also? Oo nga. Dapat pala mamayang gabi tayo pumunta. Oo nga. Oo nga, sa bagay mamaya. Tingnan yung laki na
Masyang yung laki.
rubber tree. And this woman is selling what, Angel? What she's selling, you think? Tuyo? You love tuyo? Huh? You want a taste of it? Ayun nga Ay, hindi siya pihikan kasi kumakain siya tuyo
Gulay.
Yun lang. But you need to learn how to eat gulay.
Only cabbage.
Cabbage? What will happen to cabbage? You need to eat carrots, cucumber. You eat carrots? Oh yeah, that's good. Tingnan niya, may rubber tree dito. Ang laki. Tabi-tabi po. Oo, tabi-tabi po. At baka po kami ay makiblog lang. Oo.
Gusto ko ng broccoli.
Ay, bro, ang mahal.
Malunggay ka na.
Oo, ang mahal, no? Ang mahal. Tingnan niyo to dito. Tingnan mo to, There's a plant on that. What kind of plant is this? I think this is pako. Oo, yung isang klase ng pako. Di ba merong pako na ganun lang? Oo, sana lang ay tama ako. Ayan ang ganda na sa mga nasa puno.
Guys, comment down below what's this.
Wow! Comment down below. You're great! Sabi na panood nila to, when they watch this, they will comment. Oh, maybe this is like this is like this is like this. And then they will ask me, host, what is the name of that? Oh my goodness, what I will answer, Angel? What I'm gonna say? What kind of plant is this? Ayan po. Kaya nga, ay body yan ni Angel. Siyempre, lakas sa Amerika dito rin. Ay, sus! Naku. Nanay, kaya nga. Who? Your pinsan? Ayan tingnan niyo po. Tingnan natin pang puno ng palkata. Ganito yung sa bahay ko, kaya lang natakot ako nung nakaraang bagyo. Tumahampas sa bubong. Baka mabagsakan, so I trim it. Pinaprune, I prune. Pero kasi hindi ang palkata kasi sumasayaw yan sa hangin kaya hindi siya. Let's do a TikTok, Angel? Wow! You have a TikTok account? Oh, that's why. That is why Angel is so good on dancing. Ayan po, oh. Ito yung ano. Tapos, meron pa pala itong isa, oh. What do you call that? It's like a... Okay, let's go. Si Annalyn, gusto mong upo muna dyan? Upo ka muna. Iniihit ka ay. Ayan, we will go there and then... Oh, where's that? Ayun, oh. Angel, oh. Upstairs. This is, what do you call it?
Like there is when you can go to Kingdom Hall or Simba.
Yeah. When you go to, when you want to, church.
Yep.
I think so, right?
Yeah, I don't know what's the way there.
Towards the,
I think you need to go down there.
on the other side.
Yeah. This is the one we saw. Cause I think that's the way.
Good. Okay, so we have another host right now, and this is Angel. So she will be the one to guide us. See? See? She's very good in holding the phone. She's like a real blogger. Because she has a TikTok account. Tell them, what is your TikTok account?
My name there is Blair 29.
Oh, Blair.
Blair 29.
Wow, what a nice name, Blair.
Because that's part of my name.
Oh, and you
Angel
complete-
Blair.
Yeah, Angel Blair. Wow.
Oh, it's close.
Yeah, the other side. Let us see.
It's close.
It's close also. Oh, you cannot go there.
Yep.
So here at night, you can sit here, right, Angel?
Yup.
It's like a bench. And look at this one. And look at the plants. See? Wow, it's very nice.
I think they just put hole on it.
Yeah, yeah. This is purposely. See, they put like this so they can put the plant on it.
There's no plant.
Oh, maybe it dies. See. On this side also. Look.
Oh, there's a sitting area.
Yeah. Careful,
And
huh? Careful. So whenever you want to sit down and just
and if you wanna buy, there is some there. You can buy. If you're hungry.
up to the top. Yeah. Look at a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Good.
And there's a trash can if you wanna throw.
Yeah, of course. We need to do all the garbage we have.
Look at that tree.
I see there are so many plants here. See, look at this one. I love plants, really.
Look, it's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's like a Christmas tree. Wow, it's nice. Kasi patingnan niyo sa taas. Yeah. Look at that, oh. See, tapos may upuan po dyan. There's a chair if you want to relax. And this is the area. And there are a lot of plants here.
So hi guys.
Hi.
What's your favorite color? Comment down below. Sure to subscribe.
Subscribe to what? To whom or to you? To you and to me. Please subscribe to his to her TikTok channel account. Blair 28, 29, and we have here.
You know why it's 29?
Why?
My birthday is May 29.
Oh, it's going to be how many months from now? So if you want to have there is a restroom here. Yeah, and there is a mini store here. And look at the plants. These all the plants I want to see. This is the all. Yeah, I think this one is they called Mayana, if I'm not mistaken.
Comment down below what is this again.
Yes, comment down again. What is this called? This plant. Ay, galing talaga ng aking co-host for today, co-vlogger. Okay, what else? What else you can show to us? Did we see it all? Huh? I think
We're not yet.
not yet. Okay, hold it. You will be the one to say something. vlogger for today is Angel.
We're gonna see if there's a boat already.
Yeah, we're gonna check and then we'll ride the boat. Angel, careful. Careful, ah.
Okay.
Okay, go. Careful, careful.
So there's a mud here.
Yeah, it's because typhoon, ha? Nang ano?
Biscuit.
Ano makakain mo?
Saan?
Ano makakapagod lang tinda niya?
Oo nga. Biscuit lang din. Mamaya na tayo mag-alipot tapos na. Ipo.
Ano? Ganun din dalawa. Tapos tayo sa bako. Nakapapil akong kasa na yun.
Hey, look, there's a cat.
Look at that.
It's so colorful. There's a rock.
Malinis pala naman sila. Kaya ako nagpili sa mukha-mukha.
Dapat naman kasi.
Oh, may bahay.
So guys, I think later at night there's a lot of people here. We can cross here if you want. There is lock here. And I wonder what's that here.
So again, we're coming back. We're coming back to the lakeside. And
And it's so beautiful view here, guys.
yeah, okay. Put it. Okay, let me do it. So ayan we are here now on the lakeside again. So we're going down there. So wait and see. We're going to ride a boat. If there's a boat, yes. Okay, if you want to go here, comment down below. So you see, this is welcome to Sampaloc Lake. Biking, fishing, lodging. Baka doon sa kabila. Wala yata. So ayan.
And we picnic here when we go fishing.
Yeah. We can do picnic when we go fishing. No,
We buy milk tea. Because there's a milk tea shop here.
Here? At
Just
the
need to
outside.
turn around.
Okay.
Because that area you can turn around like that to buy.
Oo nga, open na yung mga store nila dito. So marami po dito ang mga
And look,
exercise.
they can see
Yeah.
riding bike. There's some here.
Doon sa dulo. Yan, doon tayo pupunta tayo. Sasakay tayo na
Boat.
road. Going